Welcome to a journey of plant-based cooking. Transform meals using fresh veggies and fruits. Imagine turning ordinary ingredients into vibrant, mouth-watering dishes, colorful, nourishing, energizing. You're about to unlock secrets that elevate your meals and your life. Ready to feel excited, inspired, and utterly unstoppable? Subscribe now, like, and click that bell so you never miss the next flavor explosion. Plant-based cooking is not just a diet, it's a revolution. It's about reclaiming the vibrancy of real food. Crisp lettuces, juicy tomatoes, tender zucchini, sweet berries, golden mangoes. When you combine fresh veggies and fruits in dynamic recipes, your kitchen transforms into a playground of flavor, nutrition, and creativity. Every bite becomes a celebration of texture and color. Every plate, a testament to health and happiness. Hit subscribe for more inspiration weekly. Let's begin with a simple truth. Fresh produce is powerful. Veggies and fruits bring vitamins, minerals, fiber, antioxidants, pure nutrients that fuel your body and mind. When you cook with them, you let nature shine. Steamed broccoli becomes tender and savory. Roasted sweet potatoes caramelize into perfect golden wedges. Blended berries swirl into creamy smoothie bowls. Combining produce and smart recipes amplifies taste and vitality. Imagine starting your day with a sunrise smoothie: ripe banana, vibrant spinach, sweet mango, a handful of berries, creamy plant-based milk, a spoonful of nut butter. This is not just breakfast, it's an explosion of color, flavor, mood-boosting nutrients, and energy. Now imagine finishing dinner with roasted cauliflower steaks drizzled with herb sauce, paired with kale and vibrant tomato avocado salad. Each dish brings a satisfying mix of savory, sweet, crunchy, tender, creamy. This is more than cooking. This is transformation. That's what our channel is all about. Now picture this: a midweek slump. You're hungry but uninspired. Open your fridge and see a red bell pepper, greens, cherry tomatoes, maybe an apple. Within minutes, you've made a simple plant-based stir-fry or a luscious veggie fruit salad. You toss, season, cook, serve. Suddenly, dinner is ready. Bright, tasty, satisfying. No stress, no guilt, only nourishment. That magic is what we teach. In this channel, each video packs powerful takeaways. How to select fresh produce, what to look for. Seasonality, ideal combos, how to prep veggies and fruits, quickly slice, roast, blend, spiralize, how to season powerfully herbs, spices, citrus, oils, nuts, how to plate beautifully, a feast for your eyes as well as your palate. Every week, we show you recipes like crisped vegetable noodle salads bursting with herbs and citrus, creamy fruit-infused soups with coconut milk and ginger, plant-based power bowls layered with roasted veggies, grains, and sauces, dessert-style fruit parfaits with coconut yogurt and granola, quick breakfast scrambles using spinach, mushrooms, peppers, fresh herbs. Our goal: empower you to step into your kitchen with confidence, creativity, and joy. No heavy gourmet techniques, no intimidating equipment. Just everyday kitchen tools, fresh produce, and bold flavor. Why plant-based cooking? Because it's transformative. It supports energy, weight management, digestion, immunity, and environmental consciousness. Plus, when meals taste amazing, you don't miss anything else. All the while, you support sustainable living and ethical eating. One meal at a time, you're making a difference for your body and the planet. Our community is filled with real people experiencing real transformation. Emma from Texas started cooking plant-based meals and dropped bloating overnight. Carlos from São Paulo swapped late-night snacks for fruit bowls and rediscovered energy he thought was gone. Sophie in the UK learned how to shop seasonal produce and saved money while eating better. They all clicked, liked, subscribed us like you can. Right now, join the movement. Click subscribe to never miss fresh recipes and powerful tips. Our most popular recipes include zucchini ribbon salad with cherry tomatoes, olive oil, fresh basil, lemon zest, berry overnight oats with chia seeds, almond milk, maple syrup, raspberries, blueberries, roasted root medley with sweet potato, carrots, beets, thyme, garlic, olive oil, avocado, tomato salsa, bursting with lime juice, cilantro, jalapeno, red onion, green smoothie bowl topped with kiwi, banana slices, granola, pumpkin seeds. Every video shows step-by-step instructions with close-ups, clear narration, ingredient swaps, storage tips, plating ideas. Because learning plant-based cooking should be easy and fun, not intimidating. Now, pause for a moment. Think about your current meals. Are they vibrant and nourishing? Do they fill you up or slow you down? Would you like more energy, clarity, joy in your cooking? If yes, then subscribe now, smash like, and hit the bell because every new recipe brings you closer to a healthier, happier you. We also provide shopping guides, how to pick the best produce at market, how to check freshness, what pairs with what, meal prep shortcuts, batch roast veggies, freeze smoothie cubes, pre-chopped salad kits, seasonal inspiration, spring berries, summer tomatoes, fall squash, winter greens. Creative swaps, cauliflower rice instead of rice. Spiralized zucchini instead of pasta. Mashed banana instead of butter or oil and baking. Our content has helped thousands already. One viewer wrote, "Your channel inspired me to fall in love with cooking again. You can be next." So here's what to do right now. Hit that subscribe button. Smash the like button if you love fresh, colorful food. Tap the bell icon so you're the first to know when new recipes drop. Share with a friend who needs plant-based inspiration. Leave a comment with your favorite veggie or fruit. Tell us what you want to see next. When you join this community, you unlock a world of creativity and wellness. You'll feel lighter, more energetic, more in tune with your body. You'll rediscover food as joy and nourishment. Let's talk mindset too. Plant-based cooking isn't restrictive, it's abundant. Fruits and vegetables come in endless varieties. If you feel stuck, try weekly themes. Green Monday salads, smoothie Saturday, stir-fry Sunday, roast Wednesday. It turns routine into ritual. You learn flavors fast, and the palate rewards you. One key to success. Season generously. Citrus juice, fresh herbs like cilantro or parsley, spices like cumin or paprika, seeds like sesame or hemphe. Elevate vegetables from bland to brilliant. A squeeze of lime changes everything. A dash of smoked paprika adds depth. A sprinkle of toasted pistachios brings crunch. We demonstrate hundreds of these hacks in our videos. Subscribe to access them all. Another key. Texture contrast. Combine crunchy raw veggies with soft cooked ones. Add nuts or seeds for snap. Finish with a drizzle of creamy dressing. That playful layering makes every bite engage your senses. You'll crave that harmony. What about time? Plant-based dinner doesn't have to take hours. We feature many 10-minute express meals, pasta tossed with cherry tomatoes and spinach, smoothie bowls, sheet pan roasted veggie medleys. Express cooking is real cooking, just faster. For beginners, start with a plant-based switch day. Choose one meal, maybe dinner, and make it entirely fresh fruit and veggies. Try grilled veggie tacos with salsa and avocado, or a big bowl of greens, mushrooms, quinoa, and citrus dressing. Notice how satisfying it feels. Day by day, add more meals. Track your energy, mood, sleep. Slowly, your body adjusts and you crave more. If you're already plant-based, these videos give you fresh inspiration, new flavor combos, plating ideas, time savers, seasonal pairings. Stay creative, stay excited, stay vibrant. That's our promise. Remember, click subscribe, hit like, hit the bell, and share this channel with someone who needs vitality. Use hashtags like hashtag subscribe for Veggie Magic, hashtag transform meals today, hashtag plant power cooking when posting your creations to social media. Tag us. We love featuring subscriber-made dishes. In closing, fresh vegetables and fruits are nature's palette. You hold the brush, you paint your meals, you transform your health, your mood, your world. Plant-based cooking isn't just food, it's life. Make it yours. Make it joyful, make it bold. Subscribe now and let this be the start of something delicious. Hit like if you're ready to feel vibrant. Smash that bell icon so you never miss when we drop a new recipe that could change everything. Join us, your best meals and your best health are just one click away. Thank you for watching, and welcome to the plant-based revolution. Click now, subscribe, and let's transform meals together.